Hey guys, myself Prathaban. I'm from Tyagaraja College of Engineering, Department of Mechatronics. Today, we are going to know how to make automatic hand sanitizer dispenser using A051 microcontroller. COVID pandemic has influenced human life in various sectors. Various attempts were made to reduce the virus transferring by work from home, social distancing, and also including hand hygiene. So far, most of the available hand sanitizers do not operate automatically. As we know that COVID-19 disease is spreading widely and our government and doctors are telling us that we can avoid this disease by washing hands regularly. But what if someone who is not affected with COVID-19 touches the hand sanitizer which is previously used by COVID-19 infected person? This action will also infect a normal person. So, how will you protect your apartment, your hospitals? The answer to this question is the use of automatic hand sanitizer dispenser, which is explained in a detailed manner in this video. So let's get into. First of all, what is an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser? It is a device dispensing a controlled amount of hand sanitizer which is triggered by an object. You may raise a question that why we are using 8051 microcontroller particularly. 8051 microcontroller has several salient features which are impressible. It has 8-bit arithmetic logic unit, a 8-bit accumulator, and it has 128 bytes of RAM and 4 kilobytes of ROM. And it also has 8 input and output ports. Apart from the silent features listed, the 8051 IP cores are free to use. They are smaller and consume less power than 32-bit ARM cores. They have enough variants that provide processing power from 1 million instructions per second to 450 million instructions per second. The newer variants of 8051 currently available in the market are more powerful, consume less power, and most importantly, are cheaper. What are the requirements do we need to do this project? First of all, the vital component is 8051 microcontroller. The next is IR sensor. In substitute, you can also use ultrasonic sensor. The next is relay, which acts as a switch in our project. The next is solenoid valve to dispense the sanitizer. And finally, a power supply for these components to supply the necessary power. What is the working principle of this project? In this project, the IR sensor sends out a burst of infrared light and waits for the reflection of infrared light. In a normal condition, the light will bounce back in a normal pattern. But when our hands are placed in the basin, the energy emitted from the sensor will bounce back irregularly. From there, they trigger the dispensation of sanitizer. From this principle, we can proceed with flowchart. The main thing in this flowchart is to constantly check the status of IR sensor. The state of IR sensor which I have used here is always 1 in normal condition. If an object or anything is allowed to interrupt the signal, then the state of IR sensor becomes 0. This is where our whole project lies. So, our job is to check whether the IR state is 0. If it is, then the relay is closed and the solenoid valve which is connected through relay is opened. The sanitizer is dispensed for a short time. This is a block diagram. As I said before, IR sensor signals a microcontroller when the object is detected. When the microcontroller receives it, it enables the relay and solenoid valve is opened.
Now, let's go into the source code. The first, to avoid the confusion of port, which is used as input and output, we initialize the ports with the names. That is, initializing port 1 and port 2 with the name IR and relay. And next is ensuring the origin as 0. The next command is enabling IR as input port. In this command, only if the value of port 1 is 0, it goes to L1 label, or else it is redirected to the same label L0. In this L1 label, the relay is closed for some time, which is achieved by calling delay label several times. At last, To ensure the person has took his hand back, L2 label is supported. In this label, only if the IR value is 0, it goes to L0. Otherwise, it is redirected to L2 label. The last is delay label to create few seconds of delay. Now, let's see the working model of this project. First of all you need is a programmer through which the source code is dumped in the microcontroller. Here, I have used Universal Programmer. If you think you can't afford, you can go for the specific programmer, that is 8051 programmer, which is cheaper. For debugging and dumping of codes, you can use two different software. The first one is Scale software and the another one is Topwin software. While getting into the circuit, the first and the foremost of all is to convert 230 voltage to 12 volts. To achieve this, a step-down transformer is used here, which is connected to the microcontroller. Next, a relay is connected to the port 2 and the IR sensor is connected to the port 1 of the microcontroller. A solenoid valve is connected through the relay. This solenoid valve is fixed to the bottom of the bottle where the sanitizer is contained. The IR sensor and the solenoid valve are fixed parallel facing the bottom side. This sheet is placed between them to avoid the interruptions. When our hands are placed, the IR sensor detects it. The relay is made to close and the solenoid valve which is connected to the relay is opened, which results in the dispensation of sanitizer. So that's it. Automatic hand sanitizer device proposed in this video ultimately expected to contribute to contactless hand disinfection in public places and virus infection prevention. Additionally, it is economical and eco-friendly by decreasing waste emissions.